Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure making a video for you. It's Happy Me on a Budget here, and I'm bringing to you today a quick haul from AliExpress. I've got two dyes that I picked up, which are Happy Mail. Let's just bring it nearer. Happy Mail. They both say Happy Mail. And this one looks like this. Comes out like this in a block. And then this one comes out separate. And I'll show you how it's come out. So that's come out in a block. And this one comes out the H comes out first, followed by the A double PY to go on top of there. And then the M comes out separately for that one. And the AIL comes out together. So that's how it looks. That's how it looks. And I really, really like that. So that's that one, and I'll leave the link in the description below if you're interested in getting that. And also I got this stamp set. I'm so sorry, but I should have opened it before I started this video. Okay, so this one has got swap mail. It's got the envelope with Happy Mail. The letters Happy Mail, to and from, and then you've got the 3 love hearts. It says, warning, opening this package can result in extreme happiness. And then this one says, handmade with love, and happiness is doing a swap with you. It's got special delivery and look inside. So I really love that. Great stamp set. Let's have a look, see if I get some white paper for it to go on. Sorry, I should have prepared myself. But there you have it. Oopsie daisies. Let's go back up a bit. There you have it. I don't want it to start blurring. And I can't wait to start using these. And as you know, I'm still in the process of organising my craft room. So I got these chalkboard labels. And I'm waiting for the chalk pen to arrive because I've got a lot of labelling to do. All the things that cannot be displayed out on shelves, they're in drawers, and I need to know exactly where my things are. So I got these, and I'll also leave the link below for these as well. They were super cheap, and they're sticky back as well, so that's great. And they're removable. I think you can move them, clean them off, and reuse them. Okay, so that's that I got from AliExpress. And I got these from B&M. I took the car for its MOT on Tuesday, and I popped into B&M, which is literally across the road from the MOT. This is a repurchase. I've got some of these already. They're the notepads for when I'm doing my traveler's notebooks, and they're really great. I love them. They're amazing. They're so cute, and they will fit nicely into the traveler's notebook. So we've got the pineapple, the sunglasses, and it says Beyond Cool, and this one's the avocado pear, and this one has got the avocado pear, the cloud, the rainbow, pineapple, strawberries, fruits, cherries, got a diamond, it's got a unicorn, cactus, a llama. So that's beautiful. I love it. It's got the melon, and they're really good paper as well. They're not overly thin. They're not overly thick either. They, I guess, just right. I mean, for $1.29, what more can you ask for? So I've got those. And then I managed to get these. I'm not quite sure if anyone's done B&M haul on these paper pads. This one's a Summer Breeze mix and match paper. It's got 24 sheets and they're double-sided. And look how lovely these are. Look how lovely and summery these are. And they're really thick as well. Really thick. That's lovely, that colour, that teal. Beautiful colours. Wow. There's the parrot. I think it might double up along the way. Fishes. Parrots are lovely. Parrots. Turn it around for you to see the parrot. Beautiful. And oh, lovely. Absolutely lovely. Swimmers, seaside theme, plant leaves. These are really great plants. I can't remember what they're called, but they're so strong and they grow really nice. Mermaids, lemons. This is really nice. Oh, beautiful. All the cactuses and plants. Turtles underwater. Ice creams and lollies and fruits. Sailing boats. Swimmers again. Oh, lovely. There you go. Waves. Swimmers. Okay. We've got an extra one there. Yep, so that one's the Summer Breeze, and that was $2.99. The Isley Brothers has got a song called Summer Breeze, and I love it. I've got the 7-inch and the album as well. This one now is the retro, and it was also $2.99. It would really be nice. These would be really nice for traveller's notebooks. Just love it. It's really 70s, 60s, going back patterns. The middle, and we've gone back to the same ones. I believe. Yeah, same ones. Yeah. Did we have the orange one there? Did we? not. Let's move on. Yeah, so that's that. So that one's a retro. And this one is the 80s. Also $2.99. Lovely patterns. Lovely patterns. Lovely tape cassette, trainer boots. Great. So that's that. So that was my quick haul. That was my quick haul from AliExpress and B&M. I've got some craft projects coming up soon, and I've also keeping my fingers crossed to go outside in the garden because I need to order a few bits and pieces. I've got to do some spray painting as well for fixtures and fittings for the craft room. So it's not completely finished. If you would like a little update of what I've done so far, please leave a message for me in the comments below, and I'll get back to you on that. But in the meantime, as I said, I'm just waiting for my chalk pen to arrive. I tried using the gel pens and left it overnight to dry, but it wasn't working. It was smudging. So I've cleaned them off, and I'm waiting for my chalk pen to arrive in order for me to get moving. And yes, that's that. So many thanks for stopping by, and give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and also subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. I'm thinking about opening a new channel because the whole purpose of me joining YouTube was to meet friends and to interact. I have brought this channel for all my craft enjoyments, and I will be opening another channel for my little collections that I love having, and that would comprise of my dolls and other things. I think that one would be more of a household one where I take you around the home and show you all my favourite things and stuff. And I think that would be a good channel separate from the crafts. So I will keep you posted about that. But in the meantime, I'll continue with my crafts. I've got to find a new name as well for my new channel. So I'm working on all that at the moment. And that's it for now. So take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back real soon. Bye for now. Bye bye.